Hi guys, I'm Aman and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to build an RC walking robot. So yeah, let's begin. So you will need a 3.7 volt battery, an RC, and two of these mini gear motors over here. So guys, this is the body of our robot. I just made it using a popsicle stick and a wooden piece and some tape. So now we'll just glue the motors, and yeah, don't worry about the glue gun. It's a little bit dirty, but yeah. So we'll apply a little drop onto the motor and then attach a popsicle stick on top. Yeah. So now do the same with the other motors. So now here's how it looks after we attached both the motors. We actually attached the wheels to the motors. Yeah. So now we'll just attach this motor with the body of our robot. So now I have actually put this piece of hollow tube into the wheel. So now we'll just attach the body of our robot to the motors. So let's just do that now, just like that. So guys, I have actually bent these pieces of paper clips in this way you can see over here, and attached these pieces of hollow tube onto the legs of our robot. Yeah, just gonna bend these wires from the end so it won't come off. So guys, I made this little piece over here which is made out of popsicle stick to act as a stand for a robot so it actually won't fall over. Yeah. So guys, now I'm just gonna test how it works. So I attached two rubber bands over there and just it's organized now. That's it. Our robot is done, ready to go. So yeah, it can go. Wow, look at those functioning legs. Look at that. It's beautiful. So this is the remote control. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. The most beautiful thing I have ever built. So what should we name him, guys? Maybe the Walker? No. Or the Crawler? Guys, please comment. What should we name this little whatever. So guys, you know he can also dance. Yep, just look at that. He does know some awesome moves. Oh no, he was actually too much into dancing. He didn't realize he was about to fall, you know. Oh yeah, that's it. Or robot. So please guys, like the video and subscribe.